Bonjour mes étudiants, 8th standard. I welcome you all for this new session after your quarterly exam. So, I think you have done an extraordinary performance in your quarterly exam. So, congrats to you all, and I wish that you all should get a good mark, and definitely you will get it. So, what's next? So, we have to go for the next lesson, right? So, lesson 1, 2, 3, 4 we have seen for quarterly. So lesson 5 and 6 will be for your second midterm. Okay, so this is the next plan for second midterm. So based on the plan we will proceed. So not much today, just we will see the French passage and I will give the translation for the French passage. Kindly take it down. Okay, so on today's online test will be based on this lesson, that is faire les cours. I'll just only ask from these questions, so you can easily read it and you can do the online test. Fine, so hope we can start our class. So just a general explanation about faire les cours. So what is faire les cours? So seeing the picture you might have a idea, right? So what is faire les cours? Faire les cours is doing shopping. So how many of you do shopping? So most of you go to supermarket. So in this COVID situation you might not be going, so, but other than that you just go to supermarket and you pick your favorite things on your own, right? Either it might be eatables or snacks or whatever it is, vegetables or whatever it is. In supermarket what we can see a separate rack for vegetables, a separate rack for cosmetics, and daily things which we use will be there, whatever it might be, paste, brush, whatever it is, there will be a separate rack, right? So as we take this basket with us, so we will just use the trolley and we will just go one by one, we will pick on our own and we will purchase it, right? So finally we'll go on bill, and this is faire les cours. This is the method of shopping in France. Okay, but normally in some cases what we do, we will just tell the name of the product and they will pick the product and they will give. This is taking the product on our own and billing it at the cash counter. So this is the difference between what just Indian shopping and foreign shopping. Okay, so just this is the difference. So day by day this method is increasing in our country also. So what we are going to see here in this lesson is, I'll read it once and then I'll just explain you one by one. So I'll make it simple for you. So since you have finished your quarterly exam, you need a rest, right? I understand, but at the same time I'll make it simple for you so that you'll not get bored. So 20 minutes from now, and then you can take rest and you can just proceed with your whatever program you have for the day. Okay, so let's start. I'll just do the reading and then I'll start explaining. C'est samedi. Madame Loving fait les courses toujours le samedi. D'abord, elle va au marché. Elle veut des légumes, pommes de terre, haricots verts et champignons. Elle achète aussi des fruits, bananes, pommes et poires. Ils sont très frais et au marché. Ensuite, elle va à la boucherie. Elle achète de la viande, veau et mouton. Enfin, elle va à la boulangerie. Elle connaît une bonne boulangerie ici. Okay, now, so this passage alone I'll just give us outline so that you will have a idea. So who's doing the shopping here is, the name is Madame Loving. So this is the lady who does the shopping. Madame Loving is here. She just picks whatever the product she needs from the supermarket. So what are the things she is picking up? So vegetables, what are the vegetables? You know, pomme de terre is tomato, pomme de terre is potato, haricot vert et champignon. So these vegetables you have already seen. So these are the vegetables she is picking up from the vegetable section. Okay, what she is taking from the fruit section: banane, pomme et poire. So these are the fruits. So she is taking some fruits from the fruit section, and then she goes to the boucherie. That is where we can find meat, veau et mouton. So all these things I'll explain you. I don't know if you already know these vocabularies. If not, no problem. I'll just give the translation. You can take it up. So I'll read the dialogue also once, and then we'll go ahead. Okay, let's start. À la boulangerie. Le boulanger. Bonjour madame, que désirez-vous? Madame Leving. Bonjour, je veux 1 kilo de pain et une baguette. Le boulanger. Voilà madame, vous voulez autre chose? Madame Leving. Oui, donnez-moi aussi un petit gâteau au chocolat, une tarte ou une prune. Le boulanger. C'est tout madame? Madame Leving. Oui, ça fait combien? Le boulanger. Ça fait 15,30 €. Madame Leving. Voilà l'argent. Le boulanger. Merci madame, bonne journée. Madame Leving, bonne journée. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you an animated video of the lesson. So the background voice will be mine, and the animation will be from the lesson. Okay, so we are just going to make this interesting, so please kindly follow what I say. What I'm going to do now is I will play the video and I'll give you the background voice. You can easily understand the vegetables and fruits what she buys from the shop. Okay, let's start. C'est samedi, Madame Leving fait les cours toujours les samedis. D'abord, elle va au marché. Elle veut des légumes, pommes de terre, haricots et champignons. Elle achète aussi des fruits, bananes, pommes et poires. Ils sont très frais au marché. Ensuite, elle va à la boulangerie. Elle achète de la viande, veau et mouton. Enfin, elle va à la boulangerie. Elle connaît une bonne boulangère ici. Le boulanger. Bonjour madame, que désirez-vous? Madame Leving. Bonjour, je veux 1 kilo de pain et une baguette. Le boulanger. Voilà madame, vous voulez autre chose? Madame Leving. Oui, donnez-moi aussi un petit gâteau au chocolat. Une tarte aux prunes. Le boulanger. C'est tout madame? Oui, ça fait combien? Ça fait 15 €, madame. Voilà l'argent. Merci, madame. Bonne journée. So, hope you enjoyed the animation. It would be little fast, I understand, but that cannot be slowed down, so that's why I showed it. And that is just example of how they do shopping. So, whatever it is, we saw in the animation. Okay, so just we'll go for the vocabulary. So vocabulary, pomme de terre you saw, tomato, haricot vert is beans, and champignon is mushroom. And I'll just concentrate on the vocabulary and then we'll go for this. Banane is banana, pomme is apple, and poire is I think it's kind of fruit which is available in the hilly regions. Okay, and veau et mouton you already know, it's a kind of meat. Now we'll concentrate on this à la boulangerie, and then Bonjour madame, que désirez-vous? Bonjour, je veux un kilo de pain et une baguette. So both of the things, what they say here, it is up from boulangerie. So what we will get in boulangerie is bread and baguette. Baguette is a long size French bread. Okay, so that they normally used to have in the breakfast time. Okay. Voilà madame, vous voulez autre chose? Oui, donnez-moi une aussi un petit gâteau au chocolat et une tarte aux prunes. Tarte aux prunes is a type of uh, bread type which is made out of prunes. Okay, so if you want to see this, you can type this in Google and you can see tarte aux prunes. And petit gâteau au chocolat is a chocolate cake, so that you know already. C'est tout madame? Oui, ça fait combien? So she ends up with the shopping and she is asking how much it takes, and the boulanger says it is 15 euro 30, so that is 15 euro. Okay, so voilà l'argent, merci madame, bonne journée, bonne journée. So this is the thing. So I'll read it once again. C'est samedi. Madame Leving fait les courses toujours les samedis. D'abord, elle va au marché, elle veut des légumes, pommes de terre, haricots verts et champignons. Elle achète aussi des fruits, bananes, pommes et poires. Elles sont très frais au marché. Ensuite, elle va à la boulangerie. Elle achète de la viande, veau et mouton. Enfin, elle va à la boulangerie. Elle connaît une bonne boulangerie ici. So, à la boulangerie, that means at this place of the bread shop. Okay. Le boulanger, bonjour madame, que désirez-vous? Madame Laving, bonjour, je veux un kilo de pain et une baguette. Le boulanger, voilà madame, vous voulez autre chose? Madame Laving, oui, donnez-moi aussi un petit gâteau au chocolat et une tarte aux prunes. So, le boulanger, c'est tout madame? Madame Laving, oui, ça fait combien? Le boulanger, ça fait 15,30 €. Madame Laving, voilà l'argent. Le boulanger, merci madame, bonne journée. Madame Laving, bonne journée. Now, we are going to find out the answers. Okay, so I'll first give the answers, and if we have time, I'll give the translation. If not, we'll see the translation in the next class. Okay, the first thing is dash je vais à l'école. D'abord le samedi ici. Okay, so now complétez avec un mot du texte. So out of the three choices which they have given, we have to take any one choice and we have to complete the answer. So le samedi je ne vais pas à l'école. D'abord je ne vais pas à l'école ici. So during samedi means Saturday. So Saturdays we will not normally go to school. Okay, so the answer will be samedi. Le samedi je ne vais pas à l'école. Je vais dash acheter des fruits. Okay, where do we buy fruits? À la boulangerie means the bread shop. Boucherie is the meat shop. Au marché. So the answer is easy. That is, je vais au marché acheter des fruits. So I will go to the market to buy the fruits, not to the bread shop or not to the meat shop, right? So please take this one as the answer. À la boucherie, on achète dash du mouton, du fromage, des légumes. So boucherie is nothing but the place where they cut meat. Okay. So du mouton is the answer. So du fromage, it will be in the crémerie. Des légumes, it will be in au marché. So we must know what place we will get what. Okay. So based on this, I think we have some photos I'll show you in the upcoming classes. Okay. Madame Laving achète un gâteau dash au chocolat à la vanilla aux fruits. Okay, in the passage I think there is a guess. Donnez-moi un petit gâteau au chocolat, right? So the answer is Madame Laving achète un gâteau au chocolat. So this is first one is au chocolat is the answer. Kindly mark it. Dites vrai ou faux. D'abord, Madame Laving va à la boulangerie. So is it true or false? So at first, where she goes? Is she going to the bread shop? No. First she is going to the market. So the first one, what is the answer? D'abord Madame Loving va à la boulangerie. That is 4. So at first where she goes? D'abord elle va au marché. So this is the answer. So here they say she is not going to marché, she is going to boulangerie at first, but that is the wrong answer. So we have to write 4. The spelling is here, you can take and write. Okay. Elle achète des séries au marché. So what are the things she is buying? Just note down this product série and just note down what she is buying. Série is a type of fruit, right? So banana, pomme et poire. So série is not here, so again it is a 4. Second answer is also 4. Now third one is elle achète du veau et du poulet. Du veau is right, and du poulet. Elle achète du veau et du poulet. Elle achète de la viande, veau et mouton. So here it is given veau et mouton, but what they are telling is veau et poulet. So again it is, I think it is 4. Du veau et du poulet. So mark it is 4. In case if there is any change, I will tell you. Okay. Madame Loving aime la tarte aux prunes. So tarte aux prunes also we saw, right? So she is buying in tarte aux prunes. So I think she likes it. That's why she buys it, right? So that is vrai. So mark it as vrai. Here you have to mark it as vrai. So first choose 4 and the vrai 4 is done. Now we are entering into répondez. Que fait Madame Loving le samedi? So if it is le samedi, what she does? So every Saturday what she does? Say samedi, Madame Loving fait les cours toujours les samedis. So with this the answer ends. So whenever it is Saturday, what she does? She goes to shopping. So this first line, bracket this and mark it as 1. Okay, now second question. Qu'est-ce qu'elle achète à la boucherie? So what she buys in the boucherie? Boucherie is meat shop, right? So we have to go to the boucherie section. Elle va aux boucheries. See here, elle va à la boucherie. Elle achète de la viande. So from here, elle va à la boucherie. Elle achète de la viande, veau et mouton. So till this you have to bracket and mark it as number 2. So like this you can search. Okay. Qu'est-ce qu'elle achète à la boulangerie? So you might confuse with these 2 words. Okay. Boucherie is the place where they cut meat and boulangerie is where they make bread. Okay. So what she buys in boulangerie? So boulangerie, what she buys? So where is boulangerie? See here the boulangerie answer is not available. So the boulangerie answer is available from where? From here. Je veux un kilo de pain et une baguette. Okay, she wants 1 kilo of bread and baguette. Okay. Next, what she buys? As the boulanger asks, do you want anything else, ma'am? She is asking for un petit gâteau au chocolat et une tarte aux prunes. So she buys 1 kg of bread, une baguette, petit pain au chocolat et une tarte aux prunes. So there are 4 products that she buys in boulangerie. So you have to name the 4 products. Okay. Elle achète, you have to write elle achète, and then you have to write un kilo de pain et une baguette, un petit gâteau au chocolat et une tarte aux prunes. Okay. So the fourth one is où achète-t-il les fruits et les légumes? So where she buys the fruits and vegetables. Okay, where do you buy fruits and vegetables? Will you buy in the bread shop fruits and vegetables? So where you will get the fruits and vegetables? Elle va au marché. Elle veut des légumes. So where she buys? So she buys in the market. Market means marché. So what we can write? On achète les fruits et les légumes au marché. That's the answer. Okay. So here in the fourth question, they are not asking where she buys. They are asking where do one buy. One is nothing but you or me or whoever it is. Okay, one person. Okay, so where will an individual buy fruits and vegetables? So we have to write on achète. You can copy from the question itself. On achète les fruits et les légumes, and you can write au marché, at the market. Okay, so today's online test we will ask this. So in the upcoming class I will give you the translation, so that will be easy for you. So what we have seen in the today's class, only a short passage and the question is based on the passage. So finally I will read this once and then I will end up the class today. Okay, faire les courses. Faire les courses is do shopping. Okay, so as if I read out, it will take time for you to write, so that's why I am giving you in the next class. Okay, I'll read the passage once and I'll end up the class. C'est samedi, Madame Loving fait les courses toujours les samedis. D'abord, elle va au marché, elle veut des légumes, pommes de terre, haricots verts et champignons. Elle achète aussi des fruits, bananes, pommes et poires. Elles sont très frais au marché. Ensuite, elle va à la boucherie, elle achète de la viande, veau et mouton. Enfin, elle va à la boulangerie, elle connaît une bonne boulangère ici. À la boulangerie, le boulanger, bonjour madame, que désirez-vous? Madame Loving, bonjour, je veux 1 kilo de pain et une baguette. Le boulanger, voilà madame, vous voulez autre chose? Madame Loving, oui, donnez-moi aussi un petit gâteau au chocolat et une tarte aux prunes. So as it continues, le boulanger, c'est tout madame? Madame Loving, oui, ça fait combien? Le boulanger, ça fait 15,30 €. Madame Loving, voilà l'argent. Le boulanger, merci madame, bonne journée. Madame Loving, bonne journée. So in today's class we saw the French passage, right? I want you to write the French passage, leaving the space for English passage, and then start writing this 1, 2 and 3. So this will be your weekend assignment for this week, so kindly do that. Okay, so with this we will wind up today's class. In the upcoming class I will take you to these pages and I will explain you what are the products we will get and other stuffs. Okay, so these things we will see, and I will give you the French translation also. Okay, so I thank you all for today. Merci beaucoup les étudiants. Bonne journée extended. Bye. God bless you all.